All of us has taken a bad picture now and then. You know, the types that make you cringe every time you get the chance to see it. Though, when you think about it, the whole concept of photography is actually quite amazing. You get to capture all the little moments that make life a wonderful experience. Hi, my name is Jay, and I like taking pictures because it makes me see reality as a whole. It makes me feel like I am living in the present. A free living soul. No boundaries. Just me, my camera, and the 12 little voices inside my head. Did I mention I'm schizophrenic?
This is so hard. You know, Paul, it's simple. How do you make this simple? This is how it works.
Camera and microscope are similar in so many ways. They both have eyepieces which helps you view a particular subject. The revolving nosepiece is a revolving turret that houses the objective lenses. Objective lenses are used for magnification. The stage is where the subject is placed. The condenser is responsible for collecting and directing light. The iris diagram controls the amount of light reaching the specimen.
That's it. Wow, thanks. Well, I have to go.
Hello. Jump now. Jump in front of the gun. Go on. Do it. No, don't.
You look baffled. Girl. Follow. Turn. Run. Talk. Danger. What does it look like again? Can I see?
Hey Jared! So, what do we have here?
Oh, just wanted to refresh my memory at the girl Jay has been taking pictures of. He claims to have seen her somewhere here.
Jay, are you okay?
Ay!
Sorry, sir, but Paul has been diagnosed with schizophrenia.
What? How did that happen?
There are only theories about its causes. There is a schizophrenia risk gene called C4, which eliminates the connections between neurons. The process is called synaptic pruning, which usually happens during the teenage years of a person.
So, my brother has... what that gene called again?
Schizophrenia risk gene. We are not sure of the cause yet. However, a theory is that an excessive or improper pruning may lead to the development of schizophrenia. The diagnosis has been confirmed by the symptoms, sir. Hallucinations, hearing voices, unorganized thoughts and speech, and having the feeling of someone following him. And I also checked his background. He had a family member who had schizophrenia, correct?
Yes, we did. But I need to know the cause.
I cannot give you the information, sir. However, Paolo's condition might have been hereditary, or there are also the external factors that we need to consider. The theories are yet to be proven, sir. I'm sorry.
So, cells of the body have four main macromolecules that maintain the functions of the cell. Can you tell me which types of those are?
Are those the carbohydrates, lipids, proteins, and nucleic acids?
So those are formed when elements and molecules combine together. So now, can you tell me what carbohydrates are made of?
Carbon, hydrogen, oxygen. They also store energy and provide structural support.
Are you okay? So now, lipids, mainly made up of carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen, help make the membranes and store energy. Now, with proteins, can you tell me what they are made of?
Proteins are large chains of amino acids and they do variety of tasks.
So, after proteins are nucleic acids, which are long chains of nucleotides that contain genetic information. Prim, are you okay?
Okay. Miss Primrose, how may I help you today?
Well, Doc, I just feel some sort of chest pain.
Chest pain. I see.
And when I breathe, I can't breathe normally. It just hurts.
Hurts?
Yeah.
Every time? Okay.
And then, I feel like my whole body swells. Like my skin swells.
I see. I've been noticing that rash for a while. How long have you had that rash?
I don't know when it started, Doc, but I feel like I have this kind of sun allergies lately.
Sun allergies? Oh, that makes sense. Have you felt tired? Have you felt fatigue for no reason recently? Oh, any joint pain?
Yes, Doc.
Ma'am, are you familiar with the medical disease called lupus?
No, Doc.
Okay. To give you a brief overview of the disease, lupus is a disease in which your immune system attacks tissues in your own body. Your immune system is made of white blood cells that attack foreign invaders by marking them with antibodies. In lupus, antibodies mark both foreign invaders and healthy tissues. This causes your white blood cells to attack the marked healthy tissues. Common symptoms of this disease are a butterfly rash, ulcers, arthritis, pleuris, and photosensitivity. You see, ma'am, there are two types of lupus. But in order to confirm what you have, I may suggest a biopsy. But the thing is, these days, biopsies don't come in cheap.
Well, I guess I won't take the biopsy because I don't have a lot of money. So, Doc, I just want to thank you for this day, and I better leave.
Where have you been? Ouch! Go wash the dishes. You have a lot of stuff to do.
I've been living in the desert all this time, experiencing a lifelong drought, waiting for an oasis to come and quench the thirst. But should I even wish for it, knowing it was originally a desert? I just want to feel the heat of the sun touching my skin, one of my simplest desires, but it also reflects my deepest desires. If anybody cared to find out and look.